So this example 7, the air travel. Okay. An airplane flying into a headwind travels the 2,000-mile flying distance between two cities in 4 hours and 24 minutes. And I've 4 hours and 24 minutes. 24 over 60 is 0.4. So we can just use the decimal, 4.4. Okay. On the return flight, the same distance is traveled in 4 hours because now we're not flying into the wind is actually at its back, right? So when you're flying against the wind, if you define R1 is the speed of the plane, I mean, it's the speed that the plane is exerting, to try to go in that direction. And R2 is the speed of the wind. Then when you're flying against the wind, the net speed is the speed of the plane minus the speed of the wind. They're working against each other. But when you turn around and have the wind flying at your back, then the speed of the actual speed, the resultant, right, is when you add R1 plus R2. Okay? And this R, that's just in their problem. They said R. I don't know why. I would have used S. S for speed. But they didn't. So now, I mean, some of you have had physics or are in physics now, right? So you should know, like, that distance divided by time equals speed. Right? Miles per hour, speed. Okay. So in our case here, we have the distance is the same, 2,000, and in the top case, divided by the time of 4.4 hours equals R1 minus R2. In the second right here, you're still traveling 2,000 miles. This time it's only taking you 4 hours. And this time your speed is R1 plus R2. Right? Now, 2,000 over 4.4?
Is
454.5? Okay. And the 2,000 over 4 is 500. Right. So this right here is your system of equations to solve. And it's actually already set up as something you could do elimination with. Right? Just add them together, you're going to cancel the R2. So this is 2R1 equals 954.5. Divide by 2. R1 equals, anybody? 477.2. 0.2, okay. I think last class we got 0.5. 0.25, okay. Yeah, that's what we got. 477.25. Okay, well, if the two speeds add up to 500, then the second speed is? 22.75. Oh, that was wrong. Minus 477.25, which is 22.75. Right, so in the homework there's one that's just like this. Well, there's 2 word problems.